Hello there, fitness newbies! Welcome to the start of something amazing. It's awesome to have you here, ready to embark on this exciting adventure. You're about to start your fitness journey, and we couldn't be more thrilled. Starting something new can feel a bit scary, right? But don't worry, we're here to support you every step of the way. We will make it easy and fun. You'll be surprised at how enjoyable working out can be. This full-body workout is perfect for beginners. It's designed to be simple yet effective. It will make you feel stronger and healthier. You'll notice improvements in no time. Remember, every fitness journey starts with a single step, and each step brings you closer to your goals. And guess what? You've already taken that step by being here. That's a huge accomplishment. Let's get moving and have some fun while we're at it. Enjoy every moment of this journey. Are you ready to feel fantastic? Let's do this together and make every workout count. Before we jump into the workout, let's warm up those muscles. Warming up is super important to avoid injuries. It's like telling your body, hey, get ready, it's time to move. Jumping jacks, do this for 1 minute. It gets your heart rate up. Arm circles, 30 seconds forward and 30 seconds backward. This warms up your shoulders. Leg swings, swing each leg forward and backward for 30 seconds. This prepares your legs. Easy peasy, right? Now you're all warmed up and ready to rock. Now comes the fun part. Get ready to challenge yourself and have some fun while doing it. This workout targets all your major muscle groups, ensuring a balanced and effective routine. Remember to take it slow and focus on your form. Squats 10 repetitions. Squats are a fantastic exercise for building strength in your lower body. Stand with your feet apart. Lower yourself like you're sitting in a chair and come back up. Make sure your knees don't go past your toes. This works your legs and bum, giving you a solid foundation. Push-ups, 5 repetitions, or as many as you can do. Push-ups are excellent for upper body strength. Start in a plank position, lower your chest to the floor, and push back up. Keep your body straight and engage your core. This strengthens your chest, shoulders, and arms, giving you a well-rounded upper body workout. Lunges, 10 repetitions on each leg. Lunges are great for balance and coordination. Step forward with one leg and lower your body until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Keep your upper body straight. This works your legs and core, helping you build strength and stability. Plank. Hold for 30 seconds. Planks are a fantastic way to build core strength. Get into a push-up position and hold, keeping your body straight. This strengthens your core. Crunches 10 repetitions. Crunches are essential for a strong midsection. Lie on your back with knees bent. Lift your head and shoulders towards your knees. This works your abs, giving you a solid core. Well done! You've completed one round. Celebrate your progress and get ready for the next round. Take a short break and repeat this circuit 2 to 3 times. Consistency is key to seeing results. Section 4. Listen to your body. Rest and recover. Feeling good? Give yourself a pat on the back. You deserve it. It's important to rest between exercises. This allows your muscles to recover and prevents you from feeling too tired. Take about 30 seconds to 1 minute of rest between each exercise. Catch your breath, grab some water, and get ready to smash the next one. Remember, consistency is key, and listening to your body is the best way to stay consistent. Section 5. Cool it down. Stretching for success. We're almost done. Cooling down is just as important as warming up. It helps your muscles recover and reduces the risk of injury. Now it's time to cool down with some stretches. Let's start with a hamstring stretch. Hamstring stretch. Hold each leg for 30 seconds. This is great for the back of your legs. This stretches the back of your legs. Next, let's move on to the quadriceps stretch. Quadriceps stretch. Hold each leg for 30 seconds. This targets the front of your thighs. This stretches the front of your legs. Now let's do the butterfly stretch. Butterfly stretch. Hold for 30 seconds. This is excellent for your inner thighs. This stretches your inner thighs. And that's it. You've completed your cool down. You did an amazing job today. Remember to always cool down after your workouts. Remember, every little bit counts. Consistency is key to seeing progress. Keep moving, stay consistent, and you'll be amazed by what your body can achieve. Great job, and see you next time.